In ancient Arabia, true cinnamon wasn't just harvested, it was hunted. According to legend, giant birds built their nests high on treacherous cliffs using cinnamon sticks. Traders unable to climb the cliffs devised a cunning plan. They left large chunks of meat at the base of the cliffs, knowing the birds would swoop down, grab the meat, and return to their nests. The weight of the meat caused the nest to collapse, sending cinnamon sticks tumbling to the ground, where traders could finally collect them. This wasn't just any cinnamon, it was Ceylon cinnamon, the true cinnamon. Civilizations prized it for its delicate sweetness and powerful medicinal properties. The Egyptians used it for embalming. The Romans burned it in sacred rituals. Medieval traders fought wars over it. But most cinnamon today, it's not the real stuff. Grocery store cinnamon is usually cassia, which contains high levels of coumarin, a compound that can be harmful in large amounts. Ceylon cinnamon, on the other hand, is light, subtly sweet, and packed with benefits. But here's the thing. Modern science proves what the ancients already knew. Ceylon cinnamon is a superfood. It helps balance blood sugar, boost metabolism, support heart health, and fight inflammation. And it's not just for food. It's incredible for skincare, digestion, and even brain health. From DIY cinnamon capsules and face masks to thermogenic fat-burning bedtime drinks, this spice is a scientifically proven game changer. And let's not forget the flavor. Ceylon cinnamon has a delicate, subtly sweet taste that enhances everything from coffee to curries. It's the secret ingredient that transforms ordinary dishes into extraordinary experiences and brings the party to any event. At Coconut Country Living, we source pure organic Ceylon cinnamon straight from Sri Lanka, the land where true cinnamon thrives, and our farmers have been handcrafting it for hundreds of years. Our cinnamon is also hand-harvested, sun-dried, and packed with flavor. But don't take our word for it. Listen to these cinnamon connoisseurs. From GMJ, third time ordering. Love this good-for-you organic Ceylon cinnamon. It's at least my third time ordering it. After reading about its myriad benefits, I try to incorporate a teaspoon of it into my daily routine. Oatmeal, unsweetened plain yogurt with berries, sliced apples, and even mixed into my daily pot of coffee. 1 scoop of this cinnamon to 5 scoops of coffee grounds makes for an amazing brew. From Miss Gina Marie, phenomenal medicinal cinnamon. I will never buy another Ceylon cinnamon anywhere else. I've been ordering since 2016, and it's always the same great product. The value, flavor, sealable bag, and quality are unmatched. From Helena Watts, the best Ceylon cinnamon out there, I have found a winner with this product. I have ordered several times, and this is my favorite. It's organic, has a smooth texture, and tastes like real cinnamon. The health benefits outweigh anything in the store. It is always fresh, and I am very pleased with it. If you're looking for something new, you can't go wrong. From KT, this is the best cinnamon you can buy. Not all cinnamons are the same. Do yourself a flavor, pun intended, and purchase this for your health and palate. From Karen V, a great source for true cinnamon. I started buying this several years ago, and now it's the only cinnamon I use. We use this for everything, from baking to putting it into our coffee when we brew it. There really is a huge difference in taste between true Ceylon cinnamon and the stuff you buy in the grocery store. This is way better. The flavor is more subtle, but richer and more complex. The foil packaging keeps it dry and fresh for a long time. Highly recommend this to anyone interested in trying true cinnamon. From Kimberly, best healthy cinnamon. It mixes well, doesn't clump, and we order it every 6 weeks. The health benefits are wonderful. I use it in my coffee and make a morning slurry with raw organic honey. This is also my go-to remedy when I feel a cold coming on. From Smealan Sam, restored my faith in Ceylon cinnamon. I began a regimen of apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, and raw honey, only to discover that the McCormick cinnamon in my pantry contained toxic levels of coumarin. When I first tried another brand of Ceylon cinnamon, I assumed the dirt-like aroma and taste were normal. It made everything I put it in taste terrible. I decided to try this product instead, and it is exactly what Wauta Ceylon cinnamon should taste like. Warm, sweet, fragrant, and enhancing every dish. I threw out my previous brand and replaced it with Coconut Country Living's Ceylon cinnamon. So if you're ready to experience a spice better than gold, try Coconut Country Living's organic Ceylon cinnamon by clicking the link below so you can bring home the light, subtly sweet cinnamon your family will cherish. And don't forget to request your free ebook of cinnamon health and beauty hacks and cool recipes from best-selling author Michael DeSalvo. Pick it up today on Amazon at the link below or coconutcountryliving.com, and we'll see you in Coconut Country.